responsible choices on the carpeting, please? Laura, we're sitting on the carpeting. 5F, one of the things that I wanted to share with you this afternoon has to do directly with our central idea and lines of inquiry. In our How the World Works transdisciplinary theme, we're specifically focusing on how we understand the function of electricity in our ecologically conscious way. Okay? Specifically today, we're going to be looking at these two lines of inquiry here, the connection between energy and technology and its impact on society, and apart from that, how technology has changed to address Earth's ecological needs. And so, we're going to be focusing on these. I found a website that specifically addresses this, and your task today, at some point this afternoon, is to use the website that you're going to see on the screen over here. Okay, so if you look up here, then you see this is a site that's called Green Innovation, and this site is specifically addressing green technology and eco-friendly houses. And so when we're talking about how the connection between energy and technology, this website has a lot of different resources and gives a lot of different examples. Okay? You're going to be able to go to this website and just kind of scroll through some of the different things it has. This is one thing, the Eco Marathon, but if you look, it's got a long list, and all of these are examples of green technology. And so when we look at this site, it has a lot of the things that we use day to day, and you'll be able to scroll down, and you're going to choose 5 things to focus on. And so right here, I have a sheet that's going to guide you. Put your name, put today's date. I'm going to be looking to see that you fill out each area appropriately. So here, this is the invention, which is the name that's in blue. And then the next column is, well, what does it do? Okay, why would someone want to use it? What is its purpose? The next column, what kind of energy does it use? Because all of these things use energy. And the next column, it's what kind of energy could this have used in the past? Because once again, when we look at this, a lot of these are related to things that have always, not always existed, but have existed for a very long time, but they've used a different type of energy. So I want you to think, well, what kind of energy has it used in the past? And the last column, which allows for it has a larger space for more writing, it's how can this help our Earth? Because if we focus, Jordy, we notice right here how technology has changed to address Earth's ecological needs. So how do any of these things help our Earth? Every person is responsible for doing 5.
Wow. That's cool.
Okay. So you're going to choose this. This is something that you're going to work on from now until the end of the day. I need you to turn it in by 2:30.
What?
So you're going to be able to choose, you're going to be able to choose which 5 you're interested in doing. I want you to notice that when you're choosing here, the information that they give you for each site is it's not pages and pages that you're going to be reading. Okay? This is something that you're very able to do from now until 2:30. Some of you might want to get started on it now. Some of you might want to practice read to self or another of the daily 5s prior to doing this. But like I said, this incorporates itself into doing the read to self and the work on writing. Luis?
Can we do this with somebody else?
You may work with one other person, and that's the limit today.
This is the highlight of the year's work. Unable to energy test.
What does it do?
So what would someone use it for?
To ride in the ocean.
Great. So then that would go in this box. Okay?
But I don't understand.
This is just asking right here, you're telling me that this specific boat, it uses solar energy. Do boats generally use solar energy?
Yes. No. Yes.
Boats nowadays,
What kind of? Oh, the ones that we use?
yes.
No.
What kind of energy do they use?
Gasoline.
Right. So then you would write gasoline in this box. Okay?
Aviation companies hydrogen stone
What were some of the things that you guys found out? What were some of the new technologies that you discovered during this time? Santiago?
Solar powered boats.
Solar powered what?
Boats.
Okay, talk to us.
It helps by not using fossil fuels and uses solar energy.
Excellent. Did anybody else also look at the solar powered boat? Someone would like to comment? We're not going to have time for more right this minute. What I do need is I'm going to collect these sheets. I don't want you to pass them to me yet, so just hold on, please. These will be collected, and tomorrow, I want you to keep on thinking about this because tomorrow we're going to talk more about this and looking at what are Earth's ecological needs now as opposed to what they were in the past, and why some of these things were being developed. Since that is on my Moodle site, feel free to go there anytime because there were also solar panel roads. Did anybody see that? There were solar panel roads. I didn't read it, where the car's going to go on top of. Did you investigate it? So hold that one for later, okay? There are some other really interesting ones, so you might want to investigate some of that. I need to see right now that you're picking at, and I would like Laura and Santiago, they're going to collect the sheets. Please face them all the same direction and show me that you're ready to go.